Evaluating the risk profile of FlexiCap funds. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to discuss FlexiCap funds and how to evaluate their risk profile. FlexiCap funds, like any investment, come with their own set of risks. Let's break down what FlexiCap funds are and how you can assess their risks before investing. What are FlexiCap funds? First, let's understand what FlexiCap funds are. These are equity mutual funds that invest in companies of all sizes, large cap, mid cap, and small cap stocks. The key feature of FlexiCap funds is that the fund manager has the flexibility to change the proportion of investments across these market segments based on the market conditions and the fund strategy. Because of the flexibility, FlexiCap funds aim to provide relatively better returns by adjusting their portfolio dynamically to capitalize on the growth potential of different market segments. Risk profile of FlexiCap funds. Now, when it comes to evaluating the risk profile of FlexiCap funds, there are a few factors to consider. Since FlexiCap funds invest across various market segments, they carry a combination of risks associated with each type of stock: large cap, mid cap, and small cap. Market volatility. FlexiCap funds can be impacted by market fluctuations. If the fund manager adjusts the portfolio towards mid-cap or small-cap stocks during volatile periods, the fund can experience high price swings compared to large-cap stocks, which tend to be more stable. Concentration risks. While these funds are diversified across market segments, they could still become concentrated in certain sectors or stocks depending on the manager's decisions. A concentration in high-risk stocks, especially small cap, could increase the risk. Sector risk. FlexiCap funds often invest in various sectors to spread risk. However, if the fund manager shifts heavily into a single sector, like technology or pharmaceuticals, it could expose the fund to sector-specific risks. Fund manager's expertise. The risk level of a FlexiCap fund also depends on the experience and expertise of the fund manager. A skilled manager can effectively navigate market changes, while an inexperienced manager might make decisions that increase risk. How to evaluate risk? To evaluate the risk of a FlexiCap fund, you look at the factors like the fund's historical performance, volatility measures like standard deviation, and its portfolio composition. It's also important to check the fund's objective and see if it aligns with your own risk tolerance and financial goals. In conclusion, FlexiCap funds offer diversification across various market segments. But with that comes a mix of risks. Understanding these risks and evaluating the fund's performance and strategy can help you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more investing insights. Thanks for watching. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.